If you have seen my previous video, you might be really surprised to see another GLC 43 on the channel. But why am I checking out another GLC 43 today? Because this car is not what you think it is. This is the Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG with the E-Tuners Stage 2 ECU tune. And this car is pushing up 450 horsepower. Yes, this very Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG.
So hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are driving the AMG GLC 43. Now, as you know, I've already done a driving review on the AMG GLC 43, but this one is a bit different because this one is not stock. It's far away from stock. This car shows you how potential AMG GLC 43 is with the V6 engine, and today we're going to be showing you just that. Right now the car is in comfort. As you can see in comfort, it is really calm and smooth. This car has a downpipe. You can hear it a bit, but yet this car is still subtle, comfortable. Suspension's really smooth and soft and comfort. Feels really nice to drive. So this car, to talk about its practicality, as you know, this car is a proper 4-seater. You can also seat 5 people in the back, because this, even though Mercedes calls it a coupe, it's a massive car where you can load anything. You have storage space, you have everything, and in comfort, it is so calm and quiet to drive. It is really a proper daily driver. It's hassle-free. As you can see now, it's really comfortable, no problem at all. And we're just going through this road comfortably. Suspension is also really smooth and soft. As you can also see, this car has a carbon static steering wheel. This makes the steering wheel really light. When I mean light, I don't mean it is less confident. You get less confidence out of it. You still have a lot of confidence in the steering wheel, but it gives you a lot of agility because this car is now easy to handle. But when you put down the pedal, this side, so right now comfort is really calm, but yet when you push down the pedal, in comfort you can observe the gear shifts are also linear. It isn't bang on at the moment. But yet it just puts down those power. So right now comfort, push the pedal. Now it's on sport. You can already tell the rev counter has gone up. Now when you get a clear stretch, holy shit, this is quick. Stage 2 puts down all the power. It is absolutely quick. And this is only sport, so after this there's sport plus, there's individual as well. So there's still a lot more to go, but so much power. If you're talking about E-Tuner Stage 2 here, it's putting about 430 horsepower, which is massive. The good thing about this is it also retains comfort. There's no compromise on comfort whatsoever. Here we go. Oh, this turn, no? Guess what? That's just 50% throttle. Not in 50.
Overall, this is an amazing car. It shows you how capable the 3-liter V6 is in the GLC 43 AMG.
The mods on the car include a Stage 2 eTuner Motorsport ECU tune, an RES downpipe, EPC brake pads, a carbon static steering wheel, and a 19-inch 305 forged wheel rims.
This is an amazing car to push out thrilling performance, but yet keeping the calm composure of the GLC intact. To give you the speed and boost when you want it, and also to be your faithful daily driver in the city. This car truly shows what an all-rounder is. The car speaks for itself.